Story I want, story I get. A blessed day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the boss with another video. Please put a like and leave a comment and make we get straight into this. And I'm a typical story them this one, because normally we make the people them come on and talk or who want change voice, change voice. But anyway, I'm going to talk the one tonight. I don't know if it's going to come out perfect or good, but only listen that one. One lady reached out to me. Or should I say a little birdie? She tell me a little story. She said she can't come talk. I go talk a story, but me a talk in a parables. So, only can't pick sense out of nonsense. Because I know we do it over here. Anyway, she tell me, say, she have a story to tell me about a 72-year-old lady who is now lonely, boring, and live by herself. So I said to her, what cause that? She said, she made the biggest mistake of her life and now she live to regret. But the sad thing is about the story, she is now living by herself, viewers and subscribers. All this started now. Everything, she said everything happening in about a 15 years circle. Yeah, 14 to 15 years, I think she said, yeah. So what happened now, guys? This lady met a man of God. I'm not going to say pastor, I'm not going to say preacher. No, I can't say preacher, because nobody can know. She met a preacher up in Florida there. In company in visa. Zane and him come visit. And he's like, I have a thing named convention. So while I'm at the convention now, he went there and he preached and he bring down the house and everything and enough of the people and want him number and and she said she love how him preach and she take him number and something. Then now she noticed him start the prayer line. So you'd call him and tell him what you want and what and him, you sow a seed and him pray and him something there. Yeah, so I saw him start a film look thing. Anyway, now she said she and him develop a friendship where sometimes ask how was your day, beautiful lady, woman of God. All the pastor them would talk, Lord God, I preach, I'm not a pastor. So while that go on now, Zane, cause remember now, no, he visit America and he come back. He just come and think was a 2 week convention. So he went back down. So he keep a link with most of the church brothers and sisters. No, nothing wrong with that. But anyway, she said she noticed that the relationship start change from friendship and it are getting our more. How are you? Bear in mind, this man is not married. This man did married and him and his wife split up. For what reason? She no know, I me no know. She just talk about the 70-year-old lady story. See, I'm not going to disclose the lady name. I'm not talk her name. I can't call her Cherry, Patsy, anything. Because them name that most of the people up in her age, yeah. Sound funny, but that's true. Anyway, after that now, my lady, I don't know when tell my lady, but she said she'll come to Jamaica and she'll want to meet up with him. She'll bring him a watch. All right, she came down, bring him a watch. I don't know what happened. Remember, we are talking about people of God. We don't know if friend did come, did meet up with her and them do what them nothing do, or then just meet up, pray, have lunch hour. I don't know. So I not talk the story like how a lady not tell me. See? But anyway, when you just putting yourself in the situation, just imagine. So when I live the moment. That's how when I listen to the story, when you get the real essence of it. Alright? So anyway now, she come down and she saw her go on and whatever. I don't know if I house in Goa, I don't want to tell her on the people. She went up back. When she went up back now, it's like she knows say him not have no wife. Him a make she know say him see her as a wife figure. Only thing missing off her hand is a ring. Yes, that are the new talk around the town now. So me I talk to him and them on the show. When you no meet one woman, if you don't want her to love you or no want get in her head, just look on her finger them and tell her say only thing missing is a ring. And that's all the man say and he win her over. It remind me of somebody will come on the show. Yeah. But anyway, woman frightened over them something there. So anyway, they met the church, then know say she and him get close and them a go married. While them are married now, the plan was she would have come and him come over there and then till then decide what them are do. You understand? But him saying want come America because he want a better life for him kids them and plus him see himself as a pastor over there more yeah, that's it. Not just profitable, but more. It can be more successful than Jamaica. Zane, bear in mind, this a man, him never own a church, in a Jamaica, he just used to visit church and preach and pray. But somehow we can get a little break. Long story short, I don't want to get into too much something now. You know, say after that now, such man go back a foreign one time. Zane, then eventually become husband and wife. Lady put in the paper them now. I try to cut up the story as fast as possible. I not dry it out. She put in yeah, after them marriage, she put in paper. And we having visa already, so I still can visit in between time. And when in paper come in now, yeah, migrate. I think after I migrate, I don't know how the process run. After I migrate, him file for the kids them, I man then go up on time. And I remember the lady tell me say kids then reach over there though. But a whole heap of things that woman I go through. But through she in her church, she just feels like I got spin it around. And me I got say this on the show ya. Uno stop rush in a married, but uno go married people. Cause untrue not serve God, uno have to rush for go marriage because no want have little sex. Sex is not all. Uno can live on a life and just humble and ease on yourself. And today uno I get two stories in a one. I have a next story to play, but I got hide the lady voice. I want to listen and I got tell you how we reach this one. Anyway, you know what say. After all of that happen, the lady a send her a barrel and stuff come to Jamaica for him and him pitney them. And the man start this up a woman certain way. Like him not have time for her again. It's like from the pastor married, Lord God, from the man married the woman, him change. My friend even say when I time when the man call the woman, he call her on late night, he call him a cut off and one day, one girl answer her phone and say, what you call my man for? Remember pastor, we talk about preacher, we talk about and if you tap call him phone, you know want you stop waste time with him. When they send a barrel of me, pop the barrel and me share the stuff them. And I me this, I me that lady. And you're an old woman, because it sound like it was a younger girl. I don't know if out of church you can get her up on the road. I don't know, I just attack his story. I just attack his story, guys. Okay, so what happened now? The lady say all of them red flag there. And still make him man reach a foreign, guys. You know, them pray about it and him know if he get in her head and something. I tell you, man have some power spell over some woman there. Or maybe when the woman they reach in her age and afraid for lonely, so they may work out anything. Then the business, once I get a ring. It's a long story short now. You know what I say when the man reach over there. The man start going with himself and boy man change and ray. Oh God. Me hear say when the man two pitney them come out them, I reach back I two pitney them. The pitney them disrespect the woman some way. Because if the father now set an example, the pitney them now go set an example. The lady said they make you feel like nobody in them house. Because remember when you file for people and have them over here, you have one thing there. You have to stand whatever responsibility for them. Put in a comment. Sometimes I can't remember her name. Alpha David, I say her name. Lord God, I want me to chat foolishness. Alpha David or whatever. And then go on the most way. Them roam the street, come in as they like. But one thing with them, they were brilliant. They are very bright. So anyway, meanwhile, the father didn't know. The father get him thing together and him at work. Bear in mind, he's a younger person. So she would have been about, at the time, she would have been, say she have 50, say she about 59, the man would have been about 52. So I'm not far apart, 7 years apart. And me say the lady didn't have the man for about 7 years. Because her husband did pass away. But me just go into some little skip it to the story. Yeah. So, you know what going on in a long run now, guys. You then gone to college now and them are going good, but you don't know what them face it, the woman said we. The man now start stay out, go different state and say my preach and so can link up with other church brother and church pastor and so that was his way of getting away from her and go and roam the street with the other woman them. And sometimes she alone there home because I picked them gone to college. Few kids and did big still. So she alone there home. But you don't know why wickedest thing now. The man sorry guys. The man end up him and him boys them after them finish up school and thing. And all of them like them come together and buy a house in a one different state. Want to listen what me say now? Them buy a house together in a one different state. And they move out. They move out and left a lady by herself there. And that is how the 70-year-old lady end up being lonely now. After all the things then what she do. Send barrel. Mind shark she did a mine man too. You understand me? I try to memorize the story how the lady did tell me. And I tell her guys, when the lady tell me a story, it was one night when I come off I show me. I water drop out of my eye. Mr. I tell. She said, yeah man, she said, Damien, that over past I not trust. I see the lady there every minute she used to go to Jamaica. She has sent down barrel and close he pitney them until the man finally reach. And when the pitney them reach somewhere, they make up and buy house. And he move out. I don't know if they divorce her, but he move out for the woman. More likely he go to divorce her because he don't want nothing from her. Divorce and then go live together, then live different place. Then disrespect her some way, man. But I say she used to call me and talk and bawl. So she in one position and she never knows that this would have reached her after her husband. She and her husband built together and he passed away. And know say true loneliness and true church. She get carried away with a man come preach. Preaching and guys. Preaching. Sometimes ladies, you have some man who tell you sad story and you confine in them. Sometimes they might listen and observe and know when to come at you. And then some of them don't have no good intention because they no love you. Whether young or old, them no love you guys. You go vice versa, man and woman, them no love you. Them you pretend until when they reach, where they might reach. We can't bother with you. You're old man, I don't want you. You understand? But from the lady, they get the call from the lady. I don't know where the man tell her because man know if you get back in a woman head. I don't want she man that you want or a lie. I'm a friend of mess around. I think the lady this a prank. A girl did a try prank her. Wish a lie. She said she should have followed her head from this and stop every process. So now we see why enough people don't want to take no chance and make nobody come live off of them in a foreign. And he set away. It really messed up. Now, she said the lady all come out of the house because the lady retire now. The lady just go church and come out yard and then something there. I know she don't want to see no man. She's supposed to feel like a piece of lead drop on her. But lady, pick up yourself. If you ever hear this and you want to share the story, please come. Your friend just did that tell me she never call her name or nothing. So it could be a situation where fit with anybody. Okay? So that. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about that story. Okay? And coming up, we have one story with the lady who married the man, the Jamaican man from Canada. She said everything are going good. And secondly, we have some 1 and 2 take on the Trinidadian story. We never come on last night, so we have to try to fit in everything in one. All right? So, we could listen some of the man them say about the story with the Trinidad lady. And after that, we want to listen about one story one lady share with one man. Married, I know. Big man, him about 58. Married in wife and still I get trouble. I beg a woman saying, well, eat her tuntun and type of nastiness. Kind of loving wife, now then something they want. Big man, where they have to expose everything, whether man or woman. And that's the thing there. But anyway, we could listen to them voice note of us and then we move on to the last part of it. That's spicy. You don't know why I missed that. We could continue to drive and listen.
Hey, Damien, morning, my brother. This is AJ. My general, you know, say, as we tell you, I Trinidad, brother. And trust me, Many Jamaican men come here in Trinidad and marry Trinidadian women. I'm not saying all of them don't work out, but many of them come, women and men from Jamaica, come and get married to Trinidadians and regret it. I have friends, I know people, and trust me, it's not nice. They invest in them because some of them have a kind of mentality and a belief system that you're a foreigner when you come here. You understand? It's like you should feel privileged that they're marrying you or they're doing something for you to get papers or whatever. And sometimes it's not about that. Sometimes you're just genuinely trying to find love. But oftentimes it's all about what you can do for them or they can do for you. One and clap and one and grease the other. And in the situation with this fellow, I have seen a lot of people come, build houses. I've spoken to many men, even Trinidadian men, who build houses on women property. You understand? Family property, women family property, and they kick them out of it. I've seen maxi drivers, maxi meaning coasters, the same kind of coaster bus where we use in Jamaica, they call it maxi here. And I'm telling you, brother, they face it. Men married to even Christian women out here then got through how much relationship and say, all right, I find a nice Christian girl in the church and marry. And all the women do is just use them and abuse them, cheat on them. Just the same stories that I've heard and persons that I've spoken with. What I can say, yes, these people been through it, lost everything. I myself dated and was engaged to a Trinidadian woman at a time to get married, and thank God it never go through, brother. Thank God, because if I ever had married that woman, my life would have been in stress and problem then. Because in the beginning it was good and then everything went downhill. And I saw the person's true colors and real personality. You understand? I realized that was a devil in hell, boy, and I had to run for my life, Dan. Run. I don't even want to begin to start talk about the stress I went to. On more than 3 occasions, I've been through that. So I know it's not easy. You understand? But not saying that there are not good women out there. There are good Trinidadian women and good Trinidadian men, genuine people. But it's hard to find them. Because majority of the times you'll always run into the users and the abusers and the ones who just want to take you for a dime and suck your blood, you understand, and juice you for everything that you have. Honestly, brother, it's crazy. And when you think about marriage and relationship, everybody have their own perception of the whole thing. But it's sad to know we're in a society right now where you're afraid to get married. I'm looking to get married. I'm engaged right now and I'm looking to get married, and I have a lovely Jamaican woman from Jamaica who is a Canadian citizen. And she's a very nice person, very humble, very caring. So oftentimes people just want a little change from the things that they have been through, and they choose somebody from a different place, or they just fall in love wherever they want to fall in love, or whoever they want to fall in love with. But sometimes these people have different agendas and it causes a lot of problems. Different agendas with things behind it, and they're just looking to take or to juice and drain you from all that you have, and you don't know until it's too late. So I feel that's what happened to that fella. He didn't know. He get real set up. As I was listening to your video and thing, him get set up. Him get set up real bad. But oftentimes, many Trinidadian women and men do that to the spouse. Take you for everything you have. I'm not casting a shadow on all Trinidadians, but it happens. And oftentimes, we as Jamaicans, it drives a wedge between we and Jamaica because of how they treat us when we're here. And when they're in Jamaica, we treat them nice, because I was in Jamaica and I met a lot of Trinidadians in Jamaica, worked with Trinidadians, been with Trinidadian women in Jamaica, and I never have a problem. But coming here and seeing how they are, moving around them, cohabiting with them, living with them, associating with them, it's a total different ball game. Just as how you go to America, Canada, or England and associate with those people in those countries or wherever it is in the Caribbean, it don't matter. But it's just, boy, I don't know. People's perception of the whole thing is so messed up, my brother. Messed up.
I mean, like, you sum up the case there, man. You said 2 mistakes he make. Billy was on the woman property, married her at Jamaica, and then you say, but I'm more on two. I mean, see a whole heap of red flag. And the thing about it, if in case if you get anything off of it, you see, then would uh, value the property, value when bill on it, in the sense, and him get from that procedure, or whatever be case. But it's not a nice thing for a woman bill and the man property, and vice versa. No, it's a wrong move, that totally wrong move. I will heap of people lose name house where them build pan with a wife property or whatever be the case, you know. Sometime them end up divorce in America, and then the lady claims say, well, then say a fair the property, a fair things or whatever, and a she bill. So sometimes them nobody even fight the issue in the sense. Sometimes the man lose out, sometimes the woman lose out. You know, I mean, that's a tricky situation anyhow. You know, understand? But I mean, you the refer say, well, then say, him is a good man. And you say, work there, man. You know? And this saying goes, take the kindness for weakness. Life in itself is a gambling. You don't know what to do. You ever hear this saying, if me know? And the funniest thing about it, you can't know till when it happen, you know, dear man. You can't know till when it happen. And at that time is so sad. Either you cry or you take it, brother. You know? Some learning experience you get in a life where you know easy. You know? And it scared him off still. Cause trust me, it scared him off David. You hear what I say? When it come out to woman like say, well, then say is a no in this sense. No, in this sense, because him don't know who is who. Cause when him a going to the lady, you know, him a going with a clean mind and whatever be case and say things are going happen, you know, and it blow up in his face. Yes, and blow up in his face. It's sad. Really, really, really sad. You know, me feel it for him anyhow, you know, sad man.
All right, so the last story I know. So much story, I have to try to piece them up because me no post nothing for 3 days. So I put them in a tree now one. Tomorrow I'll come with some fresh something. You know what I say? See? The lady, they come on and share a story about our ex-man. Listen now. Our ex-man married a different woman. This are for an ex-woman, but she not live far from him on the similar property, like it's a apartment complex. In this are for an ex-woman for one next block. When a woman gone to work, him a pressure come back her yard and say, oh, he miss her, in love she, cause she make him go down pan her and do what he want do and rate it. But anyway, she did come and make a complaint and say she go blast him, but he look like he hear every day and stop. You see me? But now she come back and she has say a different thing while go on with him, and the woman hurry up and go, hey, you look like a big woman then love marry the man them, you know. But one, you know, big woman over 60 on a top rundown marriage. Don't see companionship, take it from me. I call say this.
He vexed with me because me tell the woman. But I warn him and tell him if him don't stop mess around me, I'm gonna tell her. And he refused from doing that. So I tell her. And she was giving me some story about she and him. That they have a disagreement where they cuss in the house and she's looking somewhere to move. Not about what I tell her. She said he accused her of sleeping with an next woman because there's another lady that live in the house because it's a 2-bedroom they have, and he rent one to this lady before the wife move in. So he accusing the wife, so she rub crutches with the woman, so them a lesbian, and one piece of drama with them in the house over there, where the woman said she move out because she never know so him stay. So that lady move out. So the wife now complained to me and I tell me said she spend a lot of money on the man. So I said, why you do that? She said she pay for putting in paperwork and the vehicle where I drive a fair credit card. Me say, seriously? She used to deal with it? And him teeth, kind of have a front teeth, with that break and need to replace. She said she put him on her insurance and go pay for it and it costs a lot, which I pay back to insurance. And she said to me, say she knows say until in her work good, but she still go ahead and marry to him. So he move her in a FEMA apartment. She did live, I don't remember which state she did live in, but he moved her in his apartment. And she said she looking somewhere for herself. And she went to the office to get an apartment in the same complex. So the lady in the office asked her why would she want to live in the same complex with this man. So she have a daughter who live in the complex. So she said she will stay with the daughter until she gets somewhere. But she end up back in the apartment with the man. So she said anytime the man have sex, I fight him, I fight her feet, but he can't perform good for please her. And she no want no oral sex. So the two, she said a long time she not sleep with him. Long time no she not sleep with him. So me no know, I'm in a business with a part there. Me no say, me take myself out of it. Me only want to give her a high opener as a woman to a woman because I've been in that situation already with a man where him do me. And if that woman they come tell me, but she continue do what she do with the man. But me choose to tell her, because me telling say if him don't stop, me I go tell her because I'm not doing this. Me can't live here, so. And you and your woman where you're married to live over this and you want me. So because she not give him the oral sex and him can't get it from me, he did want to come back to me if he get it. So I tell him, say it not work like that. And I like me and you there and I'm me alone and the partner where you have. Because I no go around and I make man do that to me unless I feel me man and a man because whatever happen in your bedroom are between you and your man and you don't want to do for please and satisfy each other. So him and her story that, but him not say nothing to me and me not say nothing to him. Me see him and him see me and him holding it straight. Cause him can't believe it, so me let out him secret. So if him should say anything to me, I'll tell him I am not keeping no secret for you. And I value myself, and I not stoop to certain level. I not go down to certain level with my body and myself. So apparently she got stay with him. The fact that she know the things and where I do. Because after me tell her, the lady that was living there, I saw her like 2 days after. And the lady tell me, said the two of them cuss Monday night in the bed. And the lady said she'll move out. No, she not stay there. Cause she said she never know say so. The man wicked and corrupt. And she said she not stay there. Because that is not her style. So she said she not stay. And the lady move out and I see her move out. But the wife still itch up in there because apparently she blind and she a idiot. But she can't go on, she can't make him get it because she already do what she do and sending him papers already. Make him get it. But if it was me, it already gone in, just make it go on R. If my money spent on him, I do that to me. For me, I talk about me, I would not make it go through, Damien, to be honest. If it was me, and why? Because it is so near, right there, so next door, right? And if the woman, I would say, if the woman never see it, say it not right, and make me know, give me a wake up call with that, me wouldn't know, me would right there, so the man and the man I do what I do. For me, there with a man and the man help me and me go next door, go sleep with one next man. And this man help me that me can get certain documents in our country. That is totally disrespect. So right there, so when me look on, him no want the woman, he just want when can get from her, which is in paper, because him can fling her out, out of that because of him innocent, so him can do it. And I see him as that person. When me did there with him and I talk to him, why you think me never go far with him? Because I went to him take my vehicle, me never tell her that part here. When me and him did them, they take me, borrow my vehicle, if you go look for your next woman, and somebody see it and tell me. When me just buy the vehicle and him never have any. And that man, when me get the vehicle, him never happy for me. You know, you have some people, them not happy to see you progressive in life. Them would like to see you down and them must climb and you down. He was that type of person. And I pick it up. And, you know, so me, I feel guard my heart. I've been in a relationship already for over 20 years, and when me get hurt, I'm not going to make no other man hurt me. I'm not going to say I will not have another relationship because I don't know what is in God have in store out there for me. I don't know. Maybe there's somebody who, because I'm not going to say, boy, I look for one nice man there, man. No, because I don't know what is a nice man. Because if me go say a nice man is a man who go work and him this and that, me I talk about the man who value himself, a man with dignity, a man with honesty, we really would want to say, all right, a one woman, me a circle with this one woman. But when me go say, me go look a man, me want one nice church man. Me no want no nice church man because they're not church too. Church is just a one building, then call it church. That have nothing to do with an individual at all. No.
You know, I sad thing about this story, guys. No, all of these 3 stories I'm going to post. The Trinidad man, we would never do a reaction to. The first one with the man and the 70-year-old lady. Bear in mind, she's 70-year-old now, but all of these things happen way back in her late 50s, 60s coming up. She have to endure over a period of time, you know, through marriage. And the last one, yeah, as somebody when near 60. So I be a big people we are talking about. We're not talking about the young people. Then if elderly people are behave so, our man for reach 59 and still one bad. Eh? Our man for reach certain age and him in tealing or turn up like how he used to turn up and he still one bad. Or when you're married and live with a man. And the Trinidad man, prior to what him say, him sound like a good man, but yet still a woman scam him and rob him 70,000 US. So it is what it is, yeah, man. Here what? I will beard and I accompany live now. We are talk about some stories and things. But anyway, what is on my nose? I'm out.